Okay, yesterday, till yesterday we have just designed the pages. Exception. So let me do a Maven update. Project. Errors will. Yeah. So errors are gone. Okay. So whenever you see the errors in the project, right click on the project, do a Maven update. That will resolve most of your problems. So you know everything is correct, but is unnecessarily throwing errors. Just do a Maven update. Okay. So login page. First, I'll start with login. Home page we are done. I need to check with the login page. So click home. I can get login page URL. Do login. Then go to forget password page. And I click new customer continue button. Is new customer header available? Is registered account text available? Is new customer continue button available? These are all we are checking. Okay, so let's go and do the login test case. So write the same. Right click on the test case package, test ng, create test ng class. So not Java class. We are creating a new test-ng class. So create a test-ng class. So I want a before class, after class if I want, I'll take. But so these are the things I want to take. My test case name is login test, login page test. Okay. Click on finish. So again, similar, so we want more test cases. We will add all the test cases. So multiple test cases, so you will see here. I'm going to add multiple test cases. So each and every test case, we will see that. But what are all the pages we need? So again, same way how you did here. So extend the test base. So do this. Okay, do that. Same thing I'm going to do that. Everything as it is. So, but here you change instead of home page test, you just change it to login page. So only that page loggers you will get it. So initiating the page class, and we want home page and we don't want registration page. So I'll remove them. So only I want a login page and home page. Maybe I might need a logout also, right? My account. So my account I might need. I'll create based on the necessity, we'll do that. First, you have to understand what methods are here, how you can navigate to login page. So open our application. Open card. So this is our open card application. You can see that how you can navigate. One way is by clicking on the new account, click on login. That's a one way, right? So another also you can navigate to this page through registration page also. That's another approach. So let's use one approach. So that login time we'll use that. First, you need to see that. First, understand to reach this page. That's a precondition for us, right? So that's a precondition. So every time you have to come here and I have to verify this page title. Then I have to verify this forget password, this title, this is available, this section is available or not. I want to check. So let's go and check one by one. So what are all the test cases we can add? So I will add first test case is page title assertion. I will do that. Okay. Let's do the page title assertion. First, how to navigate it. Maybe you can write the same thing in the before class. So before class itself, so because I'm one time if I navigate to login page, that's enough for me. So that's why I'm doing home page dot navigate to. So go to login page. That's it. So that go to login page. So in the login page method inside, how to navigate? Go to login page method. If control spacebar, if you put open declaration, it will take you to this home page and this method declaration exactly. Okay, so that's how you can see that. I came to exactly this page. Okay, please make sure you understand these test cases. Very, very important. Okay, so I navigated to home page. Now, first test case I will do verify the page title. So verify login page test, login page title test. So test keyword, make sure you add this keyword for every @test. That's very, very important. That will tell you it's a test case you're adding. So log.info. So verify the login page title. Maybe still you can write, description you can write. Otherwise, Allure reports are there, right? In the Allure reports, you can write, so description. You can write description or step. So we know already step, right? Step. So you can tell the step. So what is this step? I can say simply verifying asserting login account title. So that it will show in the steps io.qmeta. That's one. And you can write the so first test case assertions. Mainly you have to add assertions. How to add assertions, you know, right? Assert equals. So that you need to write. So we have a login page dot get login page title. We don't have get title. Huh? We put get title. So get title. And this you know already. In the constants, I think it is there. Constants dot login page title. Account login page title. That's it. So this is the assertion, simple assertion we added. So even now one more, let me show you description you can put. Generally we have a TestNG description, right? You know TestNG description? Did I show that? TestNG description. So I can say it is title test. I can write like this. And this one I can turn this into, maybe I can put this severity. So you can mention the severity. So what is the severity level? Severity level dot. You can see all you get a blocker or critical. So all right. This is a very minor. You can say minor or trivial. So these are all you can add. It will show in the reports basically. These are all reports. Okay, Allure features. These are Allure features. Even if you want TestNG feature, you can write in the TestNG feature. Directly you can write the description. So description equal to, you can write a description. So asset login is. So any one is fine. This one, this is the Allure one, this is the TestNG one. It's up to you. Or you want to prioritize. I'll prioritize. So priority equal to 1. I can prioritize. I want first this should be executed. I'm telling that very clearly. Okay, so this is the, and I want a wait time. So let's go and do that at the before method I'll take. I don't want, so the multiple places, public, void, wait setup. So I can write any, so just simple. So this code will execute every login page. So wait for page load. I can give 2 seconds. So this will repeat for every test method. Okay, so that's the advantage. Control-Shift format. Code will come in the same line. So that's the first test case is done. So what is the second test case? So second test case, URL test, right? Login page URL test. So right. So login page URL test. So one by one method, how your testings are. So you can see here, you have written a methods here. See, login page URL, you're getting the login page URL. So that I'm validating here in my page class. So how you can validate? This is how you can develop all those things. So login page URL list. So minor, this is also very minor. So asserting login page URL. Okay, so this will be a priority 2. So I can say assertions, again assertions, login page dot get login page URL. And this one, so login page fraction of URL will be there. We have to see that. And remove this fraction URL. So then I should not use assert equals. What I can do? Assert true. So this dot contains that's it. So what this contains will do? So I'm expecting to be true. What is my true? This URL should contain this fraction of URL. That's what I'm expecting. So if this returns true and this is already true, both will pass. If this returns false, this test case completely fails. That's another one. Okay, so next. Forget password one, right? Next, forget password. Exist test. forget password exist test. So I can do the same thing here also. Forget password test. So this one, 3. So just exist or not, I'm checking. Maybe validation you can do later. So next test case, you can do that. So first of all, whether it exists or not, that you check it. How can you check this one? Similar. You can call the methods asset true. What is the method? Dot is forget is login. Is the method we have to check here what method we have written. So register account. Forget password. Okay, we are going to forget password page, but I am not checking is this available or not. Is register account button is okay. I'm not checking. So maybe you can validate. So maybe you can validate, navigate to forget password page. That you can put another test case. I'll put it last. Okay, this one. I'll so write it last. So go to forget password page. So first understand, you need to click on this. So that is already we have written here in the login page. So you see you are clicking and it will go to that page. So this you can call, otherwise, is exist, I didn't write, but maybe I can verify other things. Maybe first verifications, I'll finish it quickly, okay? Before going for validations. This is the validation. This is the verification step. So verification, what is that? Just verifying whether that header is available. We will put this. So I'll change my test case in the login page. This is not forget password. Maybe I can put the header exist. I'll put is say simply. So is new customer header exist test. So I can put that is new customer exist test. Similar way, I'll do other few more test cases also. Even you can group the test cases. Basically, you can group the test cases. Belongs to which test case, and you can do that. And what is the next one? Is register available. Each method you have to consume here. So make sure you are using that. If you're not using, there is no meaning for that. So we have to use that. is register available, account text available. So priority 1, 2, 3, and this one is, oh, I changed the wrong one. This is correct only. Here we need to change. Keep this one here then. This one I will keep it. And this one I'll keep this one. Okay, fine. And this one I'll make it 4. And this one I'll make it 5. So what is the next one? So this is done. Button.
$54 lines. Description.
Okay, I will change it. Continue button. So this is done. And what is the next one? Last one. This is the 6th one. So these are all, even I can group this, you can group and make it, smoke or smoke test cases like that. So you can add comma groups, comma group, comma group. So you can add multiple groups. Okay. So these are all preliminary verifications are done. Now what methods left now in the login base? So these are, I covered all these methods. So click new customer continue button. So that is fine. This one I need to do, and this one I need to do, and also do login. Login is very important, right? First, if you log in only, then you can do all this. Yeah, not that one. So before login, I have to go to forget password test. So let's do the forget password test. So forget password. Password test. So I just need to call this. How can you call login page dot object reference dot the method name? So object reference dot method name. So these are all very important. I can say simply severity level is a little bit of increase. Normal, I'll keep normal or critical. I'll put critical. So once I navigate, I need to come back, right? So I need to come back. So that again, forget password we have to use, right? This one. So you have to use a forget password object and click on the back button. So you have to click on back button. So that to forget password page, I need to create object. So did I create a forget password? I didn't create a forget password. I need it. If you want to complete this test case, I need it. So otherwise I'll push it to last this test case, okay, as of now. So next, what is the next test case? So even registration page, if I'll click Go button, if I click on this, I need to go back and so navigate back will work. Yeah, absolutely, it is working. I can use that. So here also I can let me use navigate back. So login page dot navigate browser back. It will come. So we don't need to postpone our thing also. And priority equal to 7. So next I can put another test case. This one is continue button. Go to registration page. Go to registration page test. So for that, what you need to do, you need to click on continue button, right? Where is this? Click new customer continue button. That's it. So, and this will navigate to, okay, this one.
Sir, 88 line.
Yeah, that page you have to
Navigate
use.
back from forgot password page.
So I have to use this one, forget password I have to use, but I don't have. Let's see.
Sir, can I send that code? I wrote the forgot password. I'll just send it in the chat.
Yeah, send me in the mail. That's fine.
Mail?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here also registration. Okay, we need registrations. Right, please navigate back. That's fine. So I need a registration page also. I'm going to create a registration page object also. So based on the necessity, you create object for that pages. So that's it. And this page you need to add in the XML file. So a suit file. We need to add in the suit file. @ severity. This is the crucial. So severity level.
I sent sir an email.
Okay. Okay. Blocker. This is going to be a blocker. Login test. So login test is a very, very crucial, right? So description equal to login to the. So main, that is the crucial, right? Login page is very important. So log into the open cart page. So public, so void login test. Okay, no commas, so no semicolons. So you sent it, right? Okay. What is the class name? Spaces, it's not accepting. Hmm,
Imports.
imports. All imports I have to do. Log manager.
Do update project.
Script details. Driver. Direct find by. Element. Control set format. So code will format properly. Okay, so now I can use this. I need to create object for this. So I need to add in the test base class.
Test base class.
So let's add here. Count. Forgot password base.
Public.
Public.
So import this. So now you can call this as to. So call here. Go and create object for the class.
Forgot password page, we have to save it.
Didn't save it?
No, sir, you didn't save it.
Okay. Let me go and save it. Control S. Okay. I did. Equal to new. Am I doing properly?
Drivers.
This
Can
you
remove
don't.
that.
We don't need that. Okay, so we're good.
Yes.
So let's go and use this in the forget password. Where is this? Forget password. Okay, good. Now login. So login is do login, right? Email password. So email or password is available in rb dot get a string. So what is that? What we have given? I need to see what I have given in the properties file. Username. So go and give the username.
Sir, we have to give a valid email and password, correct?
That one is a valid only you have to give. Because this is a positive test case you are doing. So we are doing positive test case here.
Okay, sir.
Close declaration. Done. So once you log in, where it will go? Let's try that.
My account page.
Your account has been successful.
Go to the
My
my
account
account
page,
page.
directly my account page it will go, I think, right?
Yeah, my account.
Directly my
Yeah.
account page. So I need to validate my account page title. So let's validate the my account page title. So I'll do asset.
Dot asset equals.
So I have to wait. I have to wait this. So I have to wait for.
My account page.
So I'll wait. So wait for page load, login page, my account. I think my account page we didn't create object. Yeah, we need that, right? So get my account page. So did we add this in the
Test
test?
base.
Yes.
Yeah, it is there. It is there. So I
Yeah.
can use this.
Mhm.
So I can add here. So let's go and create object for this. See, so if I create, I'm doing, so if you are not practicing, only 2 people are practicing, and only even so Pushpa also done. So others, if you are not doing, no use, guys. I'm telling you frankly. How much you practice, that much confidence you will get. Otherwise, no way to understand this framework. You do one framework, I'll give one more exercise for you. They can entirely new. Same framework you implement on that website and push the code to GitHub. Then I'll review whether your code is proper or not. So that way you build one more framework. Then you'll get a strong confidence on the framework. Without doing and just listening doesn't help you. I'm telling you. So more work. This framework is more practice. So writing code, more code if you write, hands-on you will get basically. That hands-on will give you a lot of confidence. Other than that, nothing. Okay. How much practice you will do, that much confidence, and a lot of problems you will face. So while creating the test case, it looks simple, but the thing is when you actually enter into the scenario, that is going to be different. It's entirely different. The way it is going to behave, it's going to give troubles to you is entirely different. So that's what there is one proverb also, I think. So you should not be, overconfidence and in the tasks. You do, I know I can do it. I can whip it in a few minutes or a few hours, and it doesn't work out. First, start it. Then you see that how it will be. So after starting only, we'll come to know. If everything is finished on time, why you need to worry? So later you can enjoy, but initially you start. First, start it, and then slowly you can do day by day. Not at all starting means it doesn't work out. Assertion, I want to do assert, right? Assert dot assert equals.
My account base title.
So this one
Title.
dot get title, right?
Title. Yes.
And the
Constant.
comments. But my account paste it.
Paste it.
That's it. So we're good. And you need to log out, right? After, so at the rate after, so I'll do at the rate after class. So after class, I want to log out. After all the test methods, I want to log out. So log out test. So do the logout test. We have logout already, right? Logout page we have. Very good. Super. We have. So just I need to check whether I added this in the test base. Logout is there already. Go and create object here. So equal to new logout. So driver. Good, very good. So do logout, we did a method. We need to click on the, did we do logout? Get logout page. Okay, we is logout header exist. We didn't do that. Logout link. Oh, it's there in the my account page, right? Okay, it's there in the my account page, that logout. Click logout link.
Mhm.
My account page, it is there. So first you need to click on my account page. You take the my account page object, reference dot, this one. After that, so it will go to which page? Logout page. So after logout, I think we have to do some, manually execute it. Logout. So you're getting this account logout.
Account logout.
Then you need to click. So you verify this account logout, either this one or the account title. Okay. I will do page title asset dot. See, every page you are changing, you have to do assertions. So that's a mandatory. Make sure the verification is done. So, and I'm
Sir,
putting
112 item. Logout page reference.
okay. Yeah, logout page reference we have to use. Logout page reference we have to use. Let's use logout page reference. So here logout page dot
Get title.
get title. So then constants I am
Constants dot.
whether we added. I don't
Yeah.
sure.
I think we added
Constants dot
logout page title.
page.
Yeah.
Account logout page title. That's it. So then you need to click on, right? So click on continue button.
Continue button.
So log.info. Click on continue button. Where? In many
Logout
pages,
page.
continue there in the logout.
Logout page.
That's a be clear in the messages so that you won't get confusion. So that so make sure you give the proper message also, so that for a debugging purpose, all these messages will help you for a debugging purpose. Click on continue. Click log out.
Click continue button.
Click continue.
Continue button.
Oh, so that's it. So then you want to asset home page, you do assertion also. Otherwise, just okay. This is fine. But make sure you one end-to-end flow will be even home page also you assert it. So I'll do assertion home page also. So I will do some wait home page dot. Okay, I want to do assertion, right? So I'll put this wait home page dot assert. Then I'll do assertions. See, every page you clicked it, so the navigation is changing. So that navigation related methods. And here, home page title, right? Perfect. So we are end to end, we have completed. So test case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this way. Eight, and this is the 9. 9, right? 9. Priority. Okay, so this is the order I am asking to execute it. So after all the test cases, this will execute. So before every test case, before class will execute. Every test method after, every test method before method will execute. Control A, Control Shift F. The code will format. See, everything in the same line you will get it. Same line you will get the code. So that's a first do a Control A, then Control Shift F. Okay. Now let's add this test case. Test case to where? My XML. testng.xml file. Here I will. So go and add. So class tag. Select the class tag. Automatically you will get this. Okay. So you write here in this name after com dot create dot open cart dot
Test case.
test case dot
Copy paste.
the class name. And this test case you can enter the test case name. That's it. So there is one option preserve order also. You can do preserve order also if you want. Okay, just no, run this. Run as no, I will no, right click on the pom.xml. Right click, run as maven clean. I'll show you maven build also. You can use maven build also. Every time you don't need to, first time you need to click maven clean, again maven test, right? This minute 2 times you don't need to do. So let me show you how you can do that. Maven build. You can take a maven build. So you can see goals here. So just give clean install. That's it. So apply, run it. Automatically it will do clean and it will start running test cases. Next time onwards it will be there. So you just maven build, if you click, it will run completely. You don't need to do 2 times click. That means multiple clicks you are reducing. Just do maven build and give the goals as a clean install or clean test. So it will start. Say whole class 1 test case only we have written. I think this whole week it will take. Still how many pages we left? My account page and product details page. I'll write these two. Maybe tomorrow we'll try to finish it. And let's see how it goes. Not append. Compiling. Start running. Good. Okay, data driven it is doing. So any company you go, this process is same. So if you want to do a click action, click. If you want to do a type action, send keys. But they will write some reusable methods. You have to check their utility files. What are all the utility files are there? You need to understand them. Those methods you have to call in your code. Other than that, nothing. So easy, right? Framework is easy. So instead of writing independent test cases, this is going to be easy in the framework. If you understand the framework methods, life is going to be easy. So I'll give one new website entirely, and after the course completion, so you slowly take time and implement it. Reusable methods, everything same only. The test base, everything same only. Only your apply configure.properties file, your URL will change. That's it. And remaining test case pages and test case only will change. Framework, entire framework is as it is. So I will help. So finish the code so that you will push your code to a GitHub. So it will be available your code in the GitHub. So you can create another repository. You can push that code to repository also. So that really gives you end-to-end flow how to work. So okay, designing the developing the code is not only sufficient, right? You have to push this code to repository. How you can push this code. So that maybe by Wednesday we might get that. So we'll see that. I'm hoping by Wednesday we'll at least we can try that. Jenkins, another very important concept. So we need to see that.
I told API also. Registration.
After this, we'll start the API testing.
Okay. So it's doing the login page test.
Okay, good. Done. Total C17 test case, 0 failures. You can go and see the report. See how so looks beautiful the report is. So refresh. You can go to reports. Here reports are there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we ran so many. So, but you can see the today's date and time, right? This is the today's date, right? 1828. Right? This is the one.
Yeah.
So just right click, properties, copy this report, and you can go and see the report. See, you can see the nice report like this. See, login page test, home page test. See, total this 9 test cases are there, 9 passed. Home page 4 are there, 4 passed. Open test suite, total 17 are there. Registration test 4 are there. So this is all the, see, this is the modules and the person names and everything. So you'll get it. And so the dashboard also you'll see when it started, when it ended, you can see very clearly. And also if you can go here and you can see here, see this is the screenshots also. Screenshots also, you can see each test case. Okay, so that's it. And so let's see tomorrow. See screenshots you can see here. This is the login page. So like this, you can. It's easy. Our life is going to be very easy here. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Any questions? Concerns? Any questions and concerns?
So like this, we can
For
write
the